Hey everybody, this is New Hampshire Hillbilly here in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. And I want to start today's video off with this neat looking voltage meter my pal and fellow tinker Mikey from up on the hill up here, and our town clerk and tax collector also. But he fixed me up this dandy Westinghouse. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me zoom in a little bit. Westinghouse voltage meter, and I don't know where it comes from, but it's a dandy looking item. And when I turn the trains on, watch this, it actually gives me a readout of how much voltage crosses between the transformer here and the voltmeter and the train.